Hey guys, my name is Amelia. I'm going to be talking to you about the leadership skill team building and the importance it has in creating professional and successful work environment, especially in the healthcare field. So, teamwork is the joint action by a group of people, like nurses, allowing for each individual to participate in actions that can better the overall team in who their team serves. So, in our case, it would be patients. The team should have the ability to actively participate in achieving a common goal or a common idea that the team has set out to accomplish later. So, team building itself is the physical process that allows for the team or the group of people to achieve a goal using things like clear communication, goal setting, interpersonal development, and teamwork. So, it's good to understand beyond the team beyond the nursing portion of the team because there are other team members such as respiratory therapists, doctors, speech therapy, PCAs, occupational therapy, physical therapy, etc. So, team building itself empowers and inspires the group to work together in order to create new possibilities, solve problems, continue to create goals and achieve goals, and overcome different challenges that the team may face. So, within the work environment, there are ways to build your team. Some good examples would be getting together and having meetings together, participating in things like unit-based counsel for education purposes. You can even go beyond that, and you can try to just kind of put yourself in a team situation, team mindset, and then that way you'll be able to move forward and help people in their own environment from a team's perspective. But I like to focus on how to implement team building outside of the workplace because the workplace can be a stressful environment, and within a stressful environment, it is very difficult to actually focus on the process of team building. So, some good examples and things that I'm going to try to implement into the process of team building within my team, TICU, Trauma ICU, is getting away from the work environment, having events like going out to dinner, participating in holiday parties, getting together and meeting at a house just to kind of decompress, de-stress. You're able to talk in an environment that's kind of controlled, and you're able to kind of get different outlooks on different processes, different things you've done with certain patient groups. So that would be a really good and helpful way to implement team building outside of the workplace in a non-stressful environment. But as far as team building within the work environment, unit-based counsel is a really, really big, fantastic way to help to build your team. So unit-based counsel is a process that in my unit we use to help to educate our team members on different disease processes, different patient populations, things like that. So recently we put together a neurological focused UBC, and we were able to have everyone write all of their questions down, no matter if it was the most basic question or the most complex question. We wrote all of them down, and we were able to nominate a spokesperson to ask all of the questions. In that situation, we were able to answer everything and then kind of go forward and collaborate and talk about problems as a whole or questions or anything in that nature, and then that way we were able to build our knowledge together. But another good thing is with asking questions and things like UBC is you kind of see who is really familiar with that patient dynamic, and it kind of assigns that buddy that you can go to. Hey, I know you know how to level an EVD. Can you come help me? I don't know how. I've never had to. This is my first time doing it. And can you teach me? That's a good aspect and outlook to have on things with team building, is just to physically have somebody from the team present that you know is successful and can help you to become successful. And to me, that is what teamwork is. So that's kind of my thoughts and how I plan to implement team building within my unit. Thanks for listening to me, guys.